Hi friends, today we are going to talk about one of the most important elements of bedroom interior designs, a beautiful wardrobe. So friends, today in this video I am going to share the latest plans for making the beautiful wardrobe designs and which are the best materials, because a wardrobe is not just about a storage unit but it plays a huge role in organizing your space, so which enhancing your bedroom's looks and improve the daily comfort. A well-designed wardrobe instantly improves the overall appearance of your bedroom. So modern wardrobes comes in elegant colors, textures and glass panels mirrors. So you can see in this video. So which add a premium and a luxurious feel to your bedroom. And one of the best advantages of its better organization. So they are designed for hanging space, shelves, drawers, accessory sections. So this allows you to organize the clothes, bags and accessories neatly, so saving the time and effort every day. And modern wardrobes are designed from floor to ceiling, so making full use of vertical space. Sliding door wardrobes are especially useful for even in a small bedrooms, because as they save the floor space, and also it protects for clothes. So wardrobe protects your clothes from dust, moisture, sunlight. So a good quality of materials ensure the long-term safety for expensive and seasonal clothing. And you can customize, lots of options are available like you can see in this video. So you can customize your wardrobe according to the room size, storage requirement, design preference. So friends, this video will help you to select the best designs and best materials. So from internal layout to color, finish and door style, everything can be personalized as per your requirement. And it also adds a property value. So a stylish built-in wardrobe increase the value of your home and make it more attractive for resale value, even in a rental for giving. So friends, now I'm going to share which are the best materials. Actually, there are different types of materials are available in market like MDF, HDHMR board, and but I will not recommend for MDM or HDHMR. They are a smooth surface, ideal for modern designs, but they are not strong for making a wardrobe designs. So for making a wardrobe, one of the best material and a popular material is plywood. It is the most recommended material for any furniture of the house, because it is strong and durable, moisture and termite resistance, and it is also the long lasting. So best choice for wardrobe bodies and structures. And in a plywood you will get different types of grades are available like MR grade, which is moisture resistance grade, and second one is BWR, which we call the boiling water resistant, and another one is a boiling BWP, uh, which is boiling waterproof. But France, if you want to make a wardrobes or your living room furniture in a bedroom furniture, you can select MR or BWR, because BWP is mostly common used for kitchen cabinets, and they are also little bit of costly than MR and BWR plywood. So my suggestion is, recommendation is that you can select BWR plywood for your wardrobes. And the thickness are plywood are available like 12 mm, 18 mm, so you can select as per your requirement. So friends, one another thing that for a wardrobe doors, use the MDF or block board of 25 mm thickness. Don't use the plywood because plywood is heavy, so many chances to remove your hinges and can remove your door. So for a doors you select MDF or block board. And for a wardrobe cabinet, depth should be 2 feet. And for wardrobe finishes, we use mostly laminate sheets inside in cabinet, which is mostly common use a white sheet of 0.7 mm to 0.9 mm, that it's look good. And for accessory, use the top brand hinges channels, otherwise it will get destroyed. And one of the most important point to remember is always select the wardrobe color which matches your bedroom interior, like a bed, floor tiles, your bedroom wall color. So friends, for making the wardrobe, actually the total price will cost you around 1100 rupees per square feet. So everything it is included in this price, like your plywood material, second laminate sheet, and another one is labor charges, and your hardware items like uh, drawers, chairs, sorry, hinges, handle for doors. So, friends, for making, suppose your wardrobe size is 10 by 6, so total area of the wardrobe is 60 square feet. It will cost around 66,000 rupees for your making 10 by 6 wardrobe. So, this is the way you can calculate your how much it will cost. So, friends, if you have any queries, you can ask me in the comment section. So, friends, thank you for watching. Thank you.